Hey there, health enthusiasts! In this video, we'll be diving deep into the world of gut health and exploring the best supplements to support your digestive well-being. We'll cover the importance of maintaining a healthy gut microbiome, the signs of an unhealthy gut, and the top supplements backed by scientific research. From probiotics and prebiotics to digestive enzymes and omega-3 fatty acids, we'll break down the potential benefits and considerations for each supplement. But that's not all. We'll also discuss the crucial role of lifestyle factors, such as stress management, sleep, and exercise, in promoting a thriving gut. So, grab a pen and paper and get ready to take notes. Because by the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to support your gut health through targeted supplementation and lifestyle modifications. Let's get started. The gut microbiome, a complex ecosystem consisting of bacteria, viruses, and fungi residing in the digestive tract, plays a vital role in maintaining overall health and well-being. A study by Akimbekov and colleagues, published in Acta Histochemica at Cytochemica in 2020, estimated that this diverse community of microorganisms contains about 200 different species, influencing various aspects of human health, including digestion, nutrient absorption, immune function, and even mental health. However, when the delicate balance of the gut microbiome is disrupted, a condition known as dysbiosis, it can lead to a wide range of health issues. Research has linked dysbiosis to numerous health problems such as digestive disorders, mental health conditions, heart disease, and type 2 diabetes. For instance, a study by Deters and Salim, published in Food Science and Human Wellness in 2021, found that individuals with irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS, had significantly lower levels of beneficial gut bacteria compared to healthy controls. Similarly, a study by Zhou and colleagues, published in Guten in 2019, showed that an imbalance in gut bacteria can contribute to the development of obesity, insulin resistance, and inflammation, all of which are risk factors for type 2 diabetes. So, how do you know if your gut health is off balance? According to a study by Jabjik and colleagues, published in Nutrients in 2021, common symptoms of poor gut health include frequent discomfort, bloating, gas, diarrhea, or constipation, unexplained weight loss or gain, difficulty falling asleep or staying asleep or feeling tired despite adequate rest, constant feelings of exhaustion and low energy levels, rashes, eczema, or other skin conditions, development of autoimmune disorders such as rheumatoid arthritis or lupus, difficulty digesting certain foods, leading to symptoms like bloating, gas, or diarrhea. If you experience any of these symptoms persistently, it may be a sign of an unhealthy gut, and it is essential to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the underlying cause and appropriate course of action. While a healthy diet rich in fiber, fermented foods, and plant-based nutrients forms the foundation of a thriving gut microbiome, certain supplements can provide additional support in maintaining gut health. Let's explore some of the best supplements for supporting gut health based on current research findings. First up, we have probiotics. Probiotics are live microorganisms that, when consumed in adequate amounts, confer health benefits to the host. These beneficial bacteria help restore balance to the gut microbiome by competing with harmful bacteria for resources and secreting compounds that inhibit the growth of pathogens. A study by Deters and Salim, published in Food Science and Human Wellness in 2021, found that probiotic supplements have been shown to improve digestive symptoms, boost immunity, and support mental health. When choosing a probiotic supplement, it is essential to look for well-studied strains such as Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium. These strains have been extensively researched and have demonstrated efficacy in improving gut health. For example, a randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled trial by Zhou and colleagues, published in Guten 2019, found that supplementation with Lactobacillus plantarum PS 128 significantly improved IBS symptoms and quality of life in patients with diarrhea-predominant IBS. Next, let's talk about prebiotics. Prebiotics are non-digestible food components that selectively stimulate the growth and activity of beneficial gut bacteria. These compounds, which include inulin, fructooligosaccharides, FOS, and galactooligosaccharides, GOS, serve as a food source for probiotics, promoting their growth and survival in the gut. A systematic review by Deters and Salim, published in Food Science and Human Wellness in 2021, found that prebiotic supplementation significantly increased the levels of bifidobacteria and lactobacilli in the gut, while reducing the abundance of potentially harmful bacteria such as Clostridium. Prebiotics can also be obtained through dietary sources such as garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, and whole grains. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria and promote overall gut health. Moving on to digestive enzymes. Digestive enzymes are proteins that break down food molecules into smaller, more easily absorbable components. These enzymes, which include amylase, protease, and lipase, are produced naturally by the body but can also be obtained through supplements. A study by Zhou and colleagues, published in Gut in 2019, found that supplementation with a blend of digestive enzymes significantly improved symptoms of bloating, gas, and abdominal pain in patients with functional dyspepsia. The authors suggested that digestive enzyme supplements may help alleviate digestive discomfort by improving the breakdown and absorption of nutrients in the gut. When choosing a digestive enzyme supplement, look for a comprehensive formula that includes a variety of enzymes, such as protease for breaking down proteins into amino acids, amylase for breaking down carbohydrates into simple sugars, lipase for breaking down fats into fatty acids and glycerol, lactase for breaking down lactose, the sugar found in milk and dairy products, and cellulase for breaking down cellulose, a type of fiber found in plant-based foods. Next up, we have L-glutamine. L-glutamine is an amino acid that plays a crucial role in maintaining the integrity of the intestinal lining. The intestinal lining acts as a barrier, preventing harmful substances from entering the bloodstream while allowing nutrients to pass through. When the intestinal lining becomes damaged or permeable, a condition known as leaky gut can occur, leading to inflammation and various health issues. A study by Deters and Salim, published in Food Science and Human Wellness in 2021, found that supplementing with L-glutamine has been shown to reduce intestinal permeability and improve symptoms of IBS when combined with a low FODMAP diet. In a randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled trial, Zhou and colleagues, published in Guti in 2019, found that patients with post-infectious IBS who received L-glutamine supplementation, along with a low FODMAP diet, experienced significant improvements in IBS symptoms and quality of life compared to those who received a placebo. Now let's talk about omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, found in fish oil, have potent anti-inflammatory properties that can benefit gut health. Inflammation in the digestive tract has been linked to various gut-related disorders, such as inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, and IBS. A systematic review by Deters and Salim, published in Food Science and Human Wellness in 2021, found that omega-3 supplementation significantly reduced intestinal inflammation and improved symptoms in patients with IBD. When choosing an omega-3 supplement, look for a high-quality fish oil that has been purified to remove contaminants and contains a high concentration of EPA and DHA. Alternatively, you can obtain omega-3 fatty acids through dietary sources, such as fatty fish, salmon, sardines, and mackerel, chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts. Moving on to curcumin. Curcumin, the active compound found in turmeric, has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that may benefit gut health. A study by Jabjak and colleagues, published in Nutrients in 2021, found that curcumin supplementation significantly increased the abundance of beneficial gut bacteria, such as bifidobacteria and lactobacilli, in mice with colitis-associated colorectal cancer. The authors suggested that curcumin's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties may help modulate the gut microbiome and protect against gut-related disorders. While the results from animal studies are promising, more human research is needed to fully understand the effects of curcumin on gut health. When choosing a curcumin supplement, look for a formula that contains piperine, a compound found in black pepper that enhances the absorption of curcumin. Last but not least, let's talk about ginger. Ginger, a spice commonly used in traditional medicine, has been shown to have potential benefits for gut health. Ginger contains bioactive compounds, such as gingerols and shogals, that have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties. A small study by Wang and colleagues, published in Frontiers in Microbiology in 2021, found that short-term intake of ginger juice significantly increased gut bacterial diversity in healthy adults. The authors suggested that ginger may help modulate the gut microbiome and promote gut health by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. While the results of this study are promising, more research is needed to fully understand the effects of ginger on gut health in humans. Ginger can be consumed fresh, dried, or in supplement form. When choosing a ginger supplement, look for a high-quality product that contains a standardized amount of gingerols. While supplements can be a useful tool in supporting gut health, it is essential to remember that a healthy diet and lifestyle form the foundation of a thriving gut microbiome. A diet rich in fiber, fermented foods, and plant-based nutrients provides the necessary substrates for beneficial gut bacteria to grow and flourish. Incorporating a variety of prebiotic-rich foods such as garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, and whole grains can help feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut. Fermented foods such as yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi contain live probiotics that can help restore balance to the gut microbiome. In addition to a healthy diet, lifestyle factors play a significant role in maintaining gut health. Managing stress, getting enough sleep, and engaging in regular physical activity have all been shown to positively impact the gut microbiome. Chronic stress has been linked to dysbiosis and increased intestinal permeability, while adequate sleep and regular exercise have been shown to promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria and reduce inflammation in the gut. It's important to note that while supplements can be a useful tool in supporting gut health, it is essential to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. A qualified healthcare provider can help you determine the most appropriate supplement options based on your individual needs and health status. Some supplements may interact with medications or exacerbate underlying health conditions, so it is crucial to discuss your options with a healthcare professional to ensure safety and efficacy. Additionally, a healthcare provider can help you identify any potential nutrient deficiencies or underlying health issues that may be contributing to your gut health concerns. In conclusion, supporting gut health is a multifaceted approach that involves a combination of targeted supplementation, a healthy diet, and lifestyle modifications. The gut microbiome plays a crucial role in overall health and well-being, influencing various aspects of human health, including digestion, nutrient absorption, immune function, and mental health. Dysbiosis, or an imbalance in gut bacteria, has been linked to numerous health issues, such as digestive disorders, mental health conditions, heart disease, and type 2 diabetes. Recognizing the signs of an unhealthy gut, such as frequent digestive discomfort, unintentional weight changes, sleep disturbances, fatigue, skin irritation, autoimmune conditions, and food intolerances, is essential for addressing potential imbalances and preventing further health complications. While a diet rich in fiber, fermented foods, and plant-based nutrients forms the foundation of a thriving gut microbiome, certain supplements can provide additional support. Probiotics, prebiotics, digestive enzymes, L-glutamine, omega-3 fatty acids, curcumin, and ginger have all shown promise in promoting gut health through various mechanisms, such as restoring balance to the gut microbiome, reducing inflammation, and enhancing gut barrier function. However, it is crucial to remember that supplements should not be relied upon as a sole solution for gut health concerns. A healthy diet and lifestyle, including regular physical activity, stress management, and adequate sleep, are equally important in maintaining a thriving gut microbiome. Before starting any new supplement regimen, it is essential to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the most appropriate options based on individual needs and health status. By adopting a comprehensive approach to gut health that encompasses targeted supplementation, a balanced diet, and healthy lifestyle habits, individuals can work towards restoring balance to their gut microbiome and promoting optimal overall health and well-being. That's it for our deep dive into the world of gut health and the best supplements to support your digestive well-being. If you found this video informative and helpful, be sure to visit nutritionmarket.com.au for more information and resources. At Nutrition Market, you can find all the best supplements to support your gut health and overall well-being. Plus, we have a virtual clinic with clinical nutritionists and naturopaths serving clients in Australia and around the world. Book a consultation today to get personalised advice and guidance on your gut health journey. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on health and nutrition. And remember, while the information in this video is informed by research, it should not replace advice from your healthcare provider. Some scientific findings may still be under investigation, so it's always best to consult with a qualified professional for personalised recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.